Nice.
Oh. Oh.
Hey guys, Dr. Will here from Miami Spine and Performance in Hollywood, Florida. Today we are here with Jess. Jess has been dealing with some lower back and neck pain. She's an avid fitness junkie, so we're going to make her feel good so that she gets a good workout next time she hits the gym. So Jess, I'm going to have you lie face up for me to start, okay?
Okay. So just lie down?
Yeah. Put your head on the pillow right here. So in my experience, especially with people who work out a lot, the tension kind of accumulates in the middle of the back. So we're going to start in the middle and kind of work our way up and down. So I'm going to start by adjusting her mid-back, then we'll do her hips, and then we'll move up to the middle. Scoot towards me this way. Do a little roll.
Oh.
Good.
Oh. That feels
Nice
so
release.
good.
And your right side facing. So squatting, deadlifting, people tend to kind of, when they get tired, they'll arch their back and kind of, it'll create tension through this area, which then causes the muscles of the low back to get tight. So by opening that up, she's now going to be more stable when she's squatting and deadlifting. Maybe slide your hips towards me. Nice.
Oh, that was good.
Yeah. All right, other side.
Oh my gosh. Ian, you're going to love that one.
Same thing on the other side. So right now we're adjusting the SI joint, so the joint's right below the lower back. Good.
Oh,
Nice.
feels so good.
Okay, you're just gonna lie face up for me. And I come around this way. And then slide up this way. So the last area we're gonna adjust is gonna be the cervical spine, the neck. You said you woke up with some neck pain, yeah?
Yes.
Just feel around. So this is my first time adjusting Jess, so I kind of need to get my bearings here. So she has a restriction right at C3. Can you feel that?
Yes.
And then right there, C6. So we're going to do the lower one first.
Oh, that was so good.
There's that C6, and we got one more to finish her off. This one's going to be a little bit higher.
Oh.
Nice. All right, guys, there you have it. Healed officially. Thanks for coming in, Jess. So that was an example of a full body adjustment. Again, if you're someone who works out, goes to the gym often, and you get, stubborn neck and back pain, getting adjusted regularly is excellent. It'll help you maintain your strength, allow you to work out longer and harder at the gym without pain. So again, Dr. Will here, Miami Spine and Performance. Next video, I'm going to show you some decompression with Jess.
Oh my gosh.